In the final session of FEEL, children will share what they learned by being a cartographer, by being detectives, and by being a reporter. They'll share the observations that they made and the different perspectives that they understood. All of this information will help them reach the insight of understanding what the real challenge is to their opportunity of change.
I heard that you had a really great interview session being reporters. Who can share with me how we did? Somebody.
This was a time when we interacted and engaged our audience.
Which group interviewed the support staff? Lovely. Who interviewed the teachers? Yes. And who interviewed the students? Excellent. So we had a lot of children interviewing students because how many grades we had to cover? 5 grades. Okay. May you tell me the key findings we had from the support staff? Yes, sir.
First of all, we found out that she goes at very specific from the entire support staff.
So what support staff uses and cleans.
Yes,
there are two kinds of users, right? The support staff are also users, and they apparently are the cleaners. So that means they are getting affected by it, and they are part of it, right? Okay. So give me the data that you got.
For cleaning,
Yes.
there is only one person from the support staff who is cleaning the washrooms, who is Kailash Ben.
125 users using and abusing the bathroom, and one person cleaning. Do you think that's an opportunity right there?
Yes.
Right? So clearly, this data has allowed us to find out that there is one big opportunity here. So when you interviewed Kailash Ben, what did you find out? What did she say?
She told that whenever she goes into the washroom, there's a lot of mess. That sometimes even shocks her to see so much mud on the ground.
Did she also share with you what she noticed in terms of behavior of particular grades? Yes, Sunny.
She could not see many people using the washroom, but she was not happy with the way the washroom was whenever she came to clean.
And which time was it the worst?
After sports.
As we grow and learn, built on whether we can now read more and talk more, how come our bathrooms didn't get cleaner? What is the real challenge? I don't know.
Challenging the mindset of the people that we cannot change.
Why we cannot change? What is the current existing mindset of the users?
Ma'am, the current existing mindset is that they use the washroom, they don't leave it clean for the next user. That is what is happening.
No, and they believe what?
The mindset that they have is this washroom is not mine. This is school's. How do I care what happens to it? I don't get affected by it.
So what is a bathroom reflect?
In a way, it reflects who we are.
And who are we? Name. Who are we?
Uncivilized.
We are uncivilized. That's the real challenge. And every day, when they come, they leave your house in such a mess. What will your mother say next time you say, can I invite my 25 children over? Why? But we pay you 20 rupees. Chal.
It's dirty.
How does it matter? I'm paying you, no?
It's messy. And then we live there, so.
I'm paying you. One lady has to clean everybody's bathroom. It's not from that space. What ownership are we taking? The feel really is that? What are we feeling? That we have a place, we have a facility, we've done our detective, we've been a cartographer, we've done our reporting. And the only thing we realize is we are uncivilized. We are uncivilized. We are not educated. So how do we turn the story around? So when you say what is the real challenge? Let's go to this, we're wrapping it up. So simply this, supposing, Alina, come here. Now, you both enter the bathroom. Hey, let's have fun here, guys. Let's put the water all over. You say, just think, let's do susu everywhere. Why not? That's how we're using the bathroom right now. You walk in. What do you see?
I see a complete mess. It's stinky. There's a mixture of DO and sweat and stink.
And do you want to clean it up?
At first, I think that if it's just dirty, I don't want to.
Okay,
Which
so
is
what
the current mindset.
So what do? You will add. So when it's dirty, what are you going to say? It's anyway dirty, yeah. Let me also do my own. Now these two want to go back to bathroom again. Has the mess been double or lessened? Double. When you leave it clean for somebody, they're more likely to leave it clean for the others. That pay forward.
In the finding session, children will bring together all the data that they have collected by being a reporter and by being a detective. They'll put together all the observations that they have made and all the interviews that they have conducted. All this information will help them reach the real challenge. They'll identify the main root cause which is leading to their opportunity of change.
So, let's look at the wrapping up. How did mapping help you identify problems? How did the cartography exercise help us? Virushi.
We have to identify the problem.
Otherwise, we were using it anyway, right? The bathroom all this time. But when we did the cartography, we suddenly had the hotspot and the bright spot. A great strategy to use anytime you want to be able to open your eyes and your heart together. How to breaking down the problem. Supposing when we said, oh, bathroom is dirty, let's clean it every Friday. Does that solve the problem? No. You change your perspective. Sahil.
You actually got to know the story behind what was happening, because at first when we were just observing, we thought that grade 3 is just lazy to pee, but when we actually interviewed them, we got to know that they are not able to reach to the urinal.
So we broke down all the assumptions. We broke down all the assumptions. Very, very important thing. We are looking at engaging with people to find out what their perspectives are. So why is the feel stage important? Neil.
I read that when we, without doing feed, you just feel like you're doing it for the sake of it.
Okay.
Okay, fine, I'm doing this project, whatever. But when you do feed, you actually connect to the problem and you have that sort of empathy towards the thing that, okay, I have to do something about this. It's not just doing it just for the sake of it.
Suddenly there's a Kailash Ben, one lady cleaning 125 people's bathroom. Suddenly it is grade 3 who's too short and cannot reach the urinal. Suddenly it is the support staff who doesn't have the right cleaning material and therefore they're not able to do the right job. Suddenly it's people. And people can either abuse or use a space very well. That's how they create it. Alright, so we are now at the act of the fact that we realized very shockingly the bathroom is not dirty. We are uncivilized.
At the end of the field stage, children will take a pause to reflect on the different experiences they've had during the process. They'll try to understand what they learned by being a cartographer, by being a detective, and by being a reporter. We've introduced a few questions for them which will help them identify their own superpower and also help them get feedback from their own friends about what they think of them.